Let me go to the UTM forecasting analyst in the supply chain department of a company, of a large manufacturer. It first decomposes the component parts based on its industry knowledge. So you gather the historical data, pre-processed data, analyze patterns, develop and validate the model, collaborate with other departments, so on and so forth. Then it goes and maps the task to the what we call as the cognitive building blocks with an explanation on why it is connecting it to that particular block. And then it scores it, each task, and you can see that it has highlighted the developing forecast models, which takes a scale of 9. So that's what it says is the hardest stop. Then I ask it, what is the disruptive idea that you can generate for that step, developing forecast models? So it talks about various ideas. I'm not satisfied with it. I ask, what about an idea using generative AI technologies? And it gives you automated model generation. And it also gives another great idea. Use NLP to interpret market news, social media, which is something I actually did a prototype on. I will show subsequently. Then I ask it to generate the fields for a demand forecasting screen. Right, so it gives all the fields. This is actually quite comprehensive if you have worked in the demand forecasting. Then I ask it to generate this as a graph with markup diagram, which generates the diagram. I copy the code. I go to so it generated the screen with all the fields, right? So I now save this. And then now I go to make real, and then I upload this diagram, and then I click the make real button, and it has generated the app. Then I go here, open it in new tab. You can actually see the entire screen. Yeah, I could tweak it further. You can see it has put the calendar control. You can add validations. You can iteratively do this, and you have a reasonable prototype of the demand forecasting entry screen. Right? So this is how powerful this whole thing is.